So children, and our next work is number work. So first of all, I hope you all must be ready with your maths copy, pencil, everything. So let's put date first. What is the date today? It's 12.1.21. 12th January 2021. Here put, we are going to write in words WORDS. We are going to write 150 to 170 but in jumbled way. Okay. So here you can put C.W if you want to put. Now write H T O, ones, tens and hundred. Okay children, so we will write these numbers. I will write the numbers here and we will write these numbers in words but in jumbled way, not in the sequence. Okay, you know the spelling now. You know the spelling of 100, you know the spelling of 40, you know the spelling of 50, you know the spelling of 60. All right, so now we will write in a jumble way. We are practicing this. All right, because in exam it will not come in the sequence. We will give you in jumble. So let's start. The first number I am giving you 152 means 152. Put a dash. Write 1. Now what we have to do? Take one finger gap and write 100. HUNDRED. 100. Take one finger gap and write AND and 152. Now you know the spelling of 50 and you know the spelling of 2. So write 52. FIFTY 50. One finger gap and write TOW 2. 152. So now how many blocks we will leave? Because it ends there. Then so we will leave 2 blocks. No need to put a dot here. Okay. Now the next number. 167. A small dash. Write the spelling of 1. What is the spelling of 1? Say and write. ONE. Take one finger gap and write 100. What is the spelling of 100? HU. Children, say with me. NDRED. 100. 100. Take one finger gap and here write and 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 100 and what we have to write? 67. You know the spelling of 60? What is the spelling of 60? SIXTY. 67. What is the spelling of 7, children? SEVEN. 7. 167. Children, say with me. Now leave 2 blocks and here we will write 145. 145. A small dash. What is the spelling of 1? Say with me. ONE. 1. Take one finger gap and write HUNDRED. 100. What is the spelling of and? Take one finger gap and write AND and 100 and what we have to write? 45. What is the spelling of 40? Because always you people are confused in 40. When we write 14, then we write FOUR T-E-E-N. But when we write 40, then we write F-O-R-T-Y. And I found you always confused in this spelling. So learn this spelling very nicely. What is the spelling of 40 now? F-O-R-T-Y. Say with me. F-O-R-T-Y. 45. So write F-I-V-E. 545. Now again we have to, how many blocks we have to leave? 2 blocks. Now write 1, 5, 9. 159. A small dash. What is the spelling of 1? O. Say with me. O-N-E. 1. Take 1 finger gap and write H. U. N. D. R. E. D. 100. 100. Take 1 finger gap and write A-N-D. And 100. And what we have to write? 59. What is the spelling of 50? We have already written 50. So, F. Say with me, children. I-F-T-Y. 59. What is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E. 9. 59. Alright, leave 2 blocks and then write 1, 4, 0. Put a small dash. 140. Write 1, O-N-E. 1. Take 1 finger gap and write H U N D R E D. 100. Take 1 finger gap and here write A N D. And 100. And what is this? 40. So what is the spelling of 40, children? Right. F O R T Y. 40. Alright. Now leave 2 blocks and write 1, 5, 5. 155. Up a small dash. Okay. So write O-N-E. 1. Take 1 finger gap and write H U N D R E D. 100. 100. Take 1 finger gap and write A N D. And 155. Okay. So here write 55. What is the spelling of 50, children? F-I-F-T-Y. 55. F-I-V-E. 5. Children, say with me. Now we will write in the next line. Next next page. So here write H T O. Okay. Write 1, 6, 4, a small dash. 164. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E. Say with me, children. O-N-E. 1. Take 1 finger gap and write H U N D R E D. 100. 100. Take 1 finger gap and write A N D. and 164. So write 60. What is the spelling of 60? S-I-X-T-Y. 64. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R. 464. Now, how many blocks we have to leave? 2 blocks. Right here. 170. A small dash. 170. So write the spelling of 1. O-N-E 1. Take one finger gap and write H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100, 100. Take one finger gap and write A-N-D and 170. What is the spelling of 70? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70, 170. Okay, children. Now, leave 2 blocks and write 1, 4, 2. A small dash. 142. So write O-N-E 1. Take one finger gap and write H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100, 100. Take one finger gap and write A-N-D and 142. What is the spelling of 40? Right. F-O-R-T-Y. 42. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O 2. Alright. Now again leave 2 blocks and write 1, 5, 0. Small dash 150. So write O-N-E-1. Take one finger gap and write H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. Take one finger gap and write A-N-D and 150. What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Okay, 150. So children, do it in your copy in a very neat and beautiful handwriting. And please, all of you, improve your cursive handwriting. All right. And be safe. Stay at home. Till then, God bless you all.